All right, we are trying to figure out the gross profit, and there's $75 it cost involved to make each rug. So that we know that's 150 rugs. So 150 times 75 will be our total cost. And I went on the side of my paper and I just did the multiplication. So total cost $11,250. All right, we know there's 150 rugs, and 2/3 of the rugs are sold for $150 per rug. So what I'm trying to find is if profit is revenue minus cost. We already know the cost, and we have two revenue streams. One that's sold for $150 a rug, and then some that are sold for $200. All right, 150 rugs, 2/3 of the rugs. Well, what is 2/3 of 150? Well, 3 will go into that, 50. So that's going to be 100 rugs sold at how much? 150 a piece. Well, 100 times 150, that's 15,000. All right, so that was 100 rugs, 2/3 of them. That leaves 50 rugs left because there's a total of 150 rugs. So 150 minus 100 is 50. And those last 1/3 rugs are sold at $200. So that's more revenue coming in. And that's going to be $10,000. So we have a total revenue of $25,000. So our profit is revenue minus cost. Our revenue is $25,000 minus my cost, which is $11,250. And if you do that subtraction, you get $13,750. There's your answer.